to swing in Spanish moss, noonday julep sipping. Big oak tree is shaking loose, brown bell honey drippings. Heat waves rising from the crabgrass, burning off the morning dew. Sitting here in morning glory, thinking about loving you. Slide up under my shoulder, lean back in the swing. Watch them sweet magnolias hanging in the summer rain. Grandma glistens on the porch, she's making guavacelli. Uncle Luke is laying back with a beer can on his belly. Rover's digging up the backyard, burying a worn-out shoe. I'm sitting here in morning glory, thinking about loving you. Slide up under my shoulder, lean back in the swing. Watch them sweet magnolias hanging in the summer rain. Slide up under my shoulder, lean back in the swing. Watch them sweet magnolias hanging in the summer rain. Slide up under my shoulder, lean back in the swing. Watch them sweet magnolias hanging in the summer rain. His wings are closed from oil on the sea, and I guess he won't be home again to see his family. He was tired, oh so tired, on his flight from Tennessee. He just touched down to catch his breath, and he lost it finally. We can live together, you and I love you, Mother Nature, and I want to see you die. I love to see your sunsets, and I've got to sing your sky. Then we will live together, you and I. We will live together, you and I. He was walking one day early with his son. They never saw the airplanes, they had no chance to run. They were shot from higher places with a telescopic gun. 2 more dead coyotes on a list that's just begun. We can live together, you and I love you, Mother Nature, and I want to see you die. I love together, you and I. We will live together, you and I. There's a man in his castle, and he's reaching around, and he don't have the answer, and he's losing his ground. Lend him a hand, help him to stand, see the light from above. For we won't have no feeling for man, this man, if he don't have no love. If he don't have no love. There's a man on the ocean, and the storm's coming on, and his boat it is sinking, and he won't see the dawn. Don't leave him alone, you can give him a home and the life he's dreamed of. For we won't have no feeling for man, this man, if he don't have no love. If he don't have no love. If he don't have no love. He can't rise to the light. He could spend all his time killing mankind and believing he's right, even though he's a stranger. And he's not on your side. And he's not